Turnagain is about to celebrate its 3rd anniversary. I had been a home brewer for many years and a competitive brewer. About 30 years ago, Mary, my wife and co-owner, was working in a lab, and her lab mates, they were all microbiologists. They were doing yeast biology for some of the breweries in Colorado back in the early days of craft brewing. At the time, coincidentally, we couldn't really afford to buy craft beer, so we started home brewing in order to be able to have beer. And it just kind of caught on. We enjoyed it so much. I'm Ted Rosenzweig, part owner and operator of Turnagain Brewing. So SaunaBrau was a beer that was an exclusive for Brown Jug. It's an incredibly challenging beer. Nobody else in Alaska makes these, and they're really difficult to find anywhere actually in North America. It's a Finish Historical Beer. It's a raw beer. It's not boiled. Traditionally, it's made not in a modern mash tun, but in a hollowed out log called a kurna. We had to figure out a way to make it happen on a modern brewing system. We had to find some unusual ingredients like spruce and juniper berries, and then figure out how to make it all work. And then at the end, serve a beer that's not fully fermented. There's a lot of residual sugar in here because the fermentation is halted, so that makes for a very tricky package. If you don't pasteurize the bottle, it'll blow up. In the old country, they serve these fresh, and they carbonate in the 2-liter bottle while they're waiting to be dispensed at the bar. So a very challenging, but super fun and cool opportunity presented by Brown Jug.